Hey guys, good morning. I am Aaron of Alaba, in case you haven't seen me before. I just wander around Scotland, do random stuff. Today, I am looking for nature's waterfall park. And I have ended up in a place called Aberfeldy. And this here is the Birks. So, if you care to join me, stay tuned for a wee splash! So the glorious Birks of Aberfeldy, guys, was actually originally known as Dens of Moness, or Linn, Moness Linn, which Linn is a Gaelic word for waterfall. But there's this famous guy, Scottish guy, probably most of you know him, and he kind of made it famous. What was his name again? What was his name? Oh, Rabbie Burns! He's the man himself! So good old Rabbie apparently came here with a wee mate of his, wrote a song, Birks Aberfeldy, and the Birks relate to the birch trees. So it's got nothing to do with the waterfalls itself. But it is quite an incredible spot. So let's keep going, because there's a few lins up the top. Check out the mossy world in this gorgeous roaring water. And if you look back the way, bye! Whoa! We're at just one of the waterfalls, guys! Wait, what a spot! What an absolute marvellous place! Oh yeah! Let's see. Endless amount of fun here, guys. Oh, please, if you get a chance, come here and enjoy. Oh, this freaking beauty, absolute beauty of a another one. Woo. Oh yeah, freaking endless. Oh my god, I am absolutely drenched. You got a lovely wee path here, guys. Be circular walk, it says. Boy, they say that trees have been in this wee gorge since the Ice Age. Obviously not any of these trees that are here, but I think central Scotland has so many. Oh my god, a freaking another one. I can't eat away from them, man. Oh wow. What a spot this is. What a life this is. Oh. So, I'm walking along this wee like platform thing above the water. And unfortunately for my mother, I found a fence. There's no entry. And I'm like a 10-year-old child. So I gotta go in. So, how we doing? Going in here. Get in this way. Alright, I'll do it this way. It's a poor attempt at keeping Muppets out. Right, this is why it's kind of been sectioned off. Oh my god, it's like a bog. Woo! It's like a full-blown bog. Oh wow. Why has this been taken away, man? Man, I hate people, eh? Look, our ancestors, not ancient, but like someone's gone to the effort of making this incredible wee thing all the way down here. This is pretty solid. Oh god, these are wee steps, like real wee steps, and they've blocked this off for why on earth? Keep my wits, guys, don't you worry. Look at the bad boy. Boom. Oh Oh my god, I am literally losing my feet. Okay, this is why you're not meant to come here. Look at that. Oh my lord almighty me. This is just a wee river, but he's got the power. Oh my god, he's got the power of Thor. Oh wow. Oh, I don't know why, but waterfalls make me so happy, man. Oh my god. Peace, let's go to the top. That's it guys, I'm at the top of the waterfall. You can't see nothing from here, yo. It's so bloody epic. Big bridge above me. And there is some crazy white water. Oh my god. What a spot. Alright my guys, that's it from me, Aaron of Alaba. I hope you enjoyed today's wee trip through the Birks at Aberfeldy. Beautiful waterfall park in my opinion, it's just absolutely glorious. So if you want more random stuff from Scotland, wee adventures, wee historical moments, just, you know, push that big red button and give me a thumbs up. And cheerio till next time. Bye.